Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to the VA section of the paper, and the question that we have in front of us is pertaining to the ones that we've seen in this year's VA section paper. So if we talk about the verbal ability section in general this year, so we haven't seen any significant change or any unexpected kind of changes as far as the pattern, the examination, the questions that have been asked are concerned. More or less all the questions that have been asked are of the similar sorts that we have already seen come across multiple previous years papers. But that being said, this year the questions in the section in general were considered a little tricky because some of the questions that were involves that came involves a deeper understanding of the English language in general. So yes, that was the issue for the candidates as well. Now, having said that, what we'll be doing is basically we'll discuss a particular kind of question that has come in this examination, and we'll try to understand the ideal approach to solving the same, so that whenever we come across these questions in general, we are easily able to solve them as well. Okay, so with that being said, let's focus on the question at hand. So this question is for sentence rearrangement. Okay, rearrange the following sentence A, B, C, D, E, and F to make meaningful paragraph, and then answer the questions that follows. Okay. While these advantages of biofuels are serious, they are only alternate. They are the only alternate energy source of the future, and the sooner we find solution to this problem, the faster we'll be able to solve the problem that we are facing with gasoline. Okay, so while reading this particular paragraph, these advantages. So this sentence should be linked up with another sentence which talked about some kind of advantages of biofuels, and also it also needs to come after a certain sentence that needs to talk about the problems that we are facing with gasoline. Okay, so A, let me just put A somewhere over here. So we haven't yet linked anything with A. Okay, we haven't yet linked anything with A. So let's look further. This will can also help to stimulate job logically, since they are so much safer to handle than gasoline. Okay, and thus can have a potential to turn around a global economy. This fuel, so a certain kind of fuel has been talked about. Okay, so we need to find that particular fuel first, so and then we can actually talk about economy. So let me face up. One thing is to be sure, disadvantages of biofuel. So by reading option 1, we cannot necessarily make what this is actually talking about, because fossil fuels and means a lot of things have been mentioned. So let's mention B here. We'll try and form a certain pair once we are done with this. Okay, so next. Now, what else? Yeah, we have. These includes dependence. These include dependence on fossil fuels. Okay, what includes the dependence of fossil fuels? These include dependence on fossil fuels for machinery required to produce biofuels, which ends up polluting as much as the burning of fossil fuels on the roads and exorbitant cost of the biofuels, which makes it very difficult for common man to switch to this option. Okay, so it's talking about another problem. So far we haven't really linked up anything. So let's continue again. We'll continue the discussion further as well. C we have. Okay, so again, what else do we have? This turnaround can potentially help to bring the world peace and end the need to depend on foreign countries for energy requirement. Okay, if we take a look at sentence number D, it's more or less like a conclusion, right? This turnaround can potentially, like, it's like a lot of point has been made, and this is the conclusion that the writer is drawing out. So it can possibly be the concluding statement. Okay, so suppose I have six statements, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can assume D to be this particular sentence. Okay, so D can be something like this. This turnaround. So what kind of turnaround are we talking about? Okay, so we'll further continue discussing on that as well. Okay, so let's look. Biofuels are made up of plant sources, and since these sources are available in abundance and can be reproduced on a massive scale, they form an energy source that is potentially unlimited. Okay. So, however, everything is not as green with biofuel as it seems, as there are numerous advantages involved with the times overshadowing the positive impact. Okay, so this particular sentence E is an introduction. So it talks about biofuel being abundantly available, being since they are made from plants. But this particular sentence F, it immediately talks about that not everything is okay. There are numerous disadvantages that also lie pertaining to the use of biofuel. Okay, so we can actually E and B can make a pair. Again, oh sorry, E and F can make a pair. Sorry, my bad. E and F actually makes a pair. Okay, however, so now it talks about disadvantages. Okay, in F, and if we talk about the disadvantages, one thing that we actually note is that this include the dependence. So this entire paragraph is also talking about what are the disadvantages. Okay, numerous disadvantages involved at which overshadow the positive impact. This include dependence of fossil fuel for machinery required to produce, etc., etc. So the disadvantages that are talked in uh, sentence F is being built upon in sentence C. So FC can be another one. Okay, so FC is another one. Now we have F done, E done, C done, and say D is also done. Now this fuel can also help. Now if we talk about that, this fuel can also, yeah, C talks about disadvantages. This fuel can also help to stimulate jobs locally since they are so much safer to handle than gasoline and thus have potential to turn around global economy. This was your C, yes. Okay. After C, if we take a look at that, after C, if we further discuss, then we can actually conclude these disadvantages are further added upon by B. Okay, so E, B, A, and then finally the conclusion D. Okay, so E, F, C, B, and A. So this can be our logical sentence. Let's try and make sense of it. Biofuels, let's start with E. Biofuels are made of plant sources, and since these sources are available in abundance, can be reproduced on a massive scale, they form energy source of a potentially unlimited. Okay, followed by F. However, everything is not as green with biofuel as it seems. There are numerous disadvantages involved, at times overshadowed by their positive impact. Okay, disadvantages which overshadow their positive impact. Then see, these include dependence on fossil fuels or the machinery required to produce biofuel, which ends up polluting as much as burning of the fossil fuels on road, and exorbitant cost of the biofuel, which makes it very difficult for the common man to switch to this option. Okay. So again, this will also help to stimulate jobs locally since they are also much safer to handle than gasoline and thus can have potential turnaround to global economy. Okay, so it basically talks about disadvantages and positive impact. Positive impact has been talked about in point number B. While these advantages, if we talk about A, while these advantages of biofuels are serious, they are only alternative energy source of the future, and sooner we switch to this solution, the sooner we'll be fast and problem the faster we'll be able to solve the problem that we are facing with gasoline. Okay, and finally this turned out to probably help bring world to peace and need to depend on foreign countries for energy requirement. Yes, it totally makes sense, this particular order. So this is our order here, E, F, C, B, A, D. Now let's take a look at the question. Third sentence after rearrangement, third sentence is C. Which of the following should be fifth sentence? Fifth sentence here, hang on, just give me a second. if we talk about fifth sentence, right? Fifth sentence here, hang on, let's just conclude. I'm still confused with B and A. Okay, so just give me some time. Let's keep this aside. Let's complete the others. Sixth sentence. Sixth sentence, we know D is definitely the concluding statement. Which of the following should be the second statement? Second should be F, no doubt about that. First statement should be E. Oh no, first statement should be E. Yes. So these are clear. Now, if we talk about fifth and fourth, okay, let me just go through this. C states about the, okay, sorry, my bad. Okay, my bad. Point A basically introduces gasoline, okay, and the advantage of the same point A basically talks about the disadvantages only, which is again continued in point C. So disadvantage discussion starts from point C, continues to point A, and finally B talks about the advantages. Okay, so order will actually be reversed. Hang on, this will be A and this will be B. Okay, similarly here also the order will get reversed. I was a little bit confused on this part. A and B. So which is the fifth statement? Fifth statement should be B. Oh, sorry about it. Fifth statement should be B. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you how we came about with the solution of the same. This was a very interesting question. The entire basically paraphrasing dependent on the understanding of the biofuels in general, and dependent, and the topic that it focuses on is pertaining to science and technology. So in case you have any kind of doubt with respect to how we came about with the solution of the same, I suggest you go through the entire video, go through it multiple times, and then subsequently try and solve this question on your own for a better understanding as well. Okay, so having said that, in case you want a fully solved paper of the set, be it your VRC, QA and the DAILR section as well, feel free to connect with us. You can go through the description section of the video, where you will find a bunch of options to connect with us, right from our website link on which you can visit. You can also find our email ID on which you can mail us, or you can find a bunch of phone numbers on which you can call, text or WhatsApp us as well. Feel free to connect with us in case you have any kind of doubt with respect to your exam preparation, and also if you have any kind of doubt pertaining to any subject in general and you need some guidance, we'll be more than happy to help you out with that. So with all that being said, I hope you like the video. Make sure like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. And having said all of that, I'd like to wind up this video. Thank you so much.